Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Super Videos, and in this video I have an amazing application for you, and this application you have to install in your phone before giving your phone to friend, to your girlfriend, to anyone. Yes, you never know what your friend and girlfriend is gonna do in your phone, what they are gonna type and what kind of application they're opening. So for your security purpose, if you have this application in your phone, you will come to know what they have exactly done in your phone. So I'm gonna show you how this will work and what kind of settings are required. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon, and do not miss any technical video every day. Now first of all, let me just show you that what exactly this application gonna do and how this application is beneficial for you. Here when you open this application, it will ask you for your permission. You have to just allow some permission to this application, which is very important. And then after installing this application in your phone, this application open up like this. Here the first is the text typing, and the second is the clips, and third is the manage application. Now these all are the applications which are there in my phone. I can able to turn it on and turn it off. Now what exactly this application gonna do for you? Let's suppose he send any message to anyone on WhatsApp or on Facebook. Later on he deletes those messages, or he type anything on Google Chrome, he delete that one as well. But you will also come to know that what exactly he has done on your phone. Let me show you. Now once you install this application here, let's suppose your friend has your phone right now and he goes to the WhatsApp, and on WhatsApp he goes to the any chat and he start chatting here. Anything like he send a message to anyone like how are you, like this, any message on WhatsApp. Or if you go to the Google Chrome and he type anything like coronavirus, this one, if he open this one and try to see all this thing, anything he try to do anything on your phone, and later on he gives your phone back to you. So that application is really helpful if you give your phone to any of your friend, and it will make you more safe and secure. Now let's talk about the application name. Simply just have to go to the Google Play Store and install this application whose name is Typekeeper, your personal keylogger. Yes, that is the application name. However, I will be putting the link in the description. You can check it from there. Any question related to this, you can simply comment below and we will surely get back to you. Thank you very much. Bye bye.